Hello everybody. Let us study another method of solving ordinary differential equations numerically, that is Euler's modified method. So let us go through the example. Given a differential equation dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y by x and an initial condition y equal to 2 at x equal to 1. We need to find the approximate value of y at x equal to 1.4, and it's given that we have to take the step size as h equal to 0.2. Okay, so let us go for the modified Euler's method. Now whatever the differential equation is given to us, dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y by x, that will denote it by f of xy. The given differential equation dy by dx is denoted by f of xy, and the initial condition will denote them as x naught is 1 and y naught is 2. Now it's given that h should be 0.2. So taking h as 0.2, we'll go for finding what are our values of x. So x1 will is x naught plus h. So x naught is 1, we know it, h is 0.2. So we get x1 is equal to 1.2. Now, but what is asked is we need to find y at x equal to 1.4, but x1 is not 1.4. So again we'll go for the next value of x, that is x2. x2 is given by x1 plus h. So here x1 is 1.2 as we have written here, and h is 0.2. So we get x2 is 1.4. So this is what the value of x is, for which we need to find the value of y in two steps. That is, first we will find the value of y at x equal to 1.2. Further, we'll use this as the initial condition and proceed to find the value of y at x is equal to 1.4. Okay. So step 1, that is first step, it is we'll take again this function given differential equation as f of xy is equal to 1 by 1 plus y by x. We find the value of this function under the initial conditions, that is f of x naught y naught. It is obtained by just substituting x as x naught and y as y naught. So the function becomes 1 plus y naught by x naught. So it is 1 plus y naught, it is 2, x naught is 1, 1 plus 2 by 1. So we get the value of f of x naught y naught as 3. Now we'll apply the Euler's formula. This is also called as the Euler's predictor formula. So this gives a predicted value of y at x1. That is, we get a predicted value of y at 1.2 and is denoted by y1 raised to 0. So this y1 raised to 0 is given by y naught plus h into f of x naught y naught under our Euler's formula. Now substitute the values for this. Y naught, it is 2 as we are written here. H, it is 0.2, and we have f of x naught y naught already calculated. It is 3. Simplify this. 3 into 0.2, it is 0.6 plus 2. So we get y1 raised to 0. That is predicted value of y1. It is 2.6. Now this value of y1, it is nothing but the value of y at x is equal to 1.2. But this value, it is not the accurate value that we have got, and it needs to be improved. So what we do is we apply modified Euler's formula, or it's also called as the corrector formula. So we apply this modified Euler's formula to improve the value of, or to correct the value of y1. So it is denoted by y1 raised to 1 now. y1 raised to 1, it is the first corrected value of y1. Formula is y naught plus h by 2 f of x naught y naught plus f of x1 y1 raised to 0. So already we know what is y naught, what is h, and already we have calculated f of x naught y naught. Only thing is we need the value of f of x1 y1. So let us obtain this f of x1 y1 raised to 0. So function is, as you have seen, it is 1 plus y by x. So it becomes 1 plus y1 raised to 0 divided by x1. Now we have 1 plus y1 raised to 0. As we have obtained by applying Euler's formula, it is 2.6. So 1 plus, that is 2.6 divided by value of x1 is 1.2. Simplify this. The value we get is 3.1667. Now, thus, we substitute this value of f of x1 y1 in modified Euler's formula. So y naught, it is 2, h is 0.2 divided by, we have 2, f of x naught y naught, it is 3, and f of x1 y1 raised to 0, it is 3.1667. Now substituting all these values, simplify it, we get the value of y1 raised to 1. It is 2.6167. This is the first corrected value, and you can see the difference between the predicted value and the corrected value of y1. Both are the values of y at x equal to 1.2 only. But there is a difference between the two values, hence we have corrected here. Now this value may not be again accurate, hence we again need to apply this modified Euler's formula to improve this value still more. Now let us apply the value again. So y1 raised to 2 is given by, now this 2 indicates it is the second iterated value or the second corrected value. So y1 raised to 2, it is given by, formula remains same, y naught plus h by 2 f of x naught y naught plus, only this changes, that is f of x1, instead of y1 raised to 0 we will write y1 raised to 1. Whatever the value we have got for y1 just now, that value will be substituted to obtain the new value of the function, and that needs to be substituted here. So let us first find f of x1 y1 raised to 1. F of xy is 1 plus y by x. So f of x1 y1, it is 1 plus y1 raised to 1 divided by x1. Now already we have got the value of y1 raised to 1. It is 2.6167 and x1 is 1.2. Now we'll substitute it, simplify, we get the value of f of x1 y1 as 3.1806. Now we'll substitute the values here. Y naught, as we already know, initial value of y is 2, h is 0.2 divided by 2. F of x naught y naught, first only we have calculated, it is 3. Now we have obtained the value of f of x1 y1 raised to 1, it is 3.1806. Simplify this, we get the value of the second corrected value of y, that is 2.6181. So can see again there is difference between the two values of y1. So here we had got the value of y1 as 2.6167, but now we have got 6181. Again there is a difference between these two values. Now it can stop it here only, but if you need still more accurate value to check whether it is accurate or not, you can go for one more iteration. So let us go for one more iteration, that is y1 raised to 3. Y naught plus h by 2 again, f of x naught y naught plus f of x1, only this changes here, y1 raised to 2. Instead of y1 raised to 1, we will be substituting this value y1 raised to 2. Again, let us find this value, f of x1 y1 raised to 2. It is 1 plus, function is 1 plus y by x. So it is 1 plus y1 raised to 2 divided by x1. So substitute it, you get the value as 3.1818. Now substituting this value in the function, we will obtain the value of y1 raised to 3. So that is y naught is 2, h is 0.2, same values again, f of x naught y naught, it is 3, f of x1 y1 raised to 2, it is 3.1818. Now simplify this, we get the value of y1 raised to 3 as 2.6182. Now again there is still a little bit difference between y1 raised to 2 and y1 raised to 3. If you once again do the corrected formula, then I hope you will get 2.6182. But anyhow, we need to carry again second stage here or second step. So we'll stop the iterations and take the value of y1 as 2.6182. That is, the value of y at x equal to 1.2, we'll note it as 2.6182. Now this becomes our initial condition to carry on for the next step as we calculate y at x equal to 1.4. So x1, previously we had taken x naught and y naught as our initial conditions. Now we'll take x1 and y1 as our initial conditions. So x1 is 1.2, y1 is 2.6182. Again I had written the same thing here. Function remains the same, 1 plus y by x, and we need to find y2, that is y at 1.4. Now again we'll go for applying Euler's formula to get the predicted value of y2, that is value of y at x equal to 1.4, denoted by y2 raised to 0. So previously you had written y1 raised to 0, now it is y2 raised to 0, and the formula there we had written it as y naught plus h into f of x naught y naught. Now increase the suffix by 1, we'll write y1 plus h into f of x1 y1. So substitute the values. Y1, it is 2.6182, it should be written 62, it should be 16182. Then h is 0.2, f of x1 y1, we'll calculate f of x1 y1. 1 plus y by x is the function, so we'll take y1 by x1. Y1 value is 2.6182 divided by x1 is 1.2. So we'll get the value of f of x1 as 3.1818. Substitute it here. Simplify. We get the value of the function, that is value of y2 raised to 0 as 3.2546. This is the predicted value of y2. Now we'll go for the corrected value of y2 by applying modified Euler's formula. So modified Euler's formula, we already know it. Previously in the first step we had written y1 raised to 1. Now we'll go for y2 raised to 1 because we are finding y at x2. We'll write it as y2. So y2 raised to 1, 1 tells it is the first iterated value. Whatever we have obtained by applying Euler's formula, it is the predicted value. Now we are obtaining the corrected value. So it is y1 plus h by 2 into f of x1 y1 plus f of x2 y2 raised to 0. So y1 it is 2.6182, h is 0.2 divided by 2. F of x1 y1, here we had obtained it already previously. F of x1 y1, it is 3.1818. Substitute that value of f of x1 y1 here, 3.1818. Now we need to calculate this f of x2 and y2 raised to 0. So function is 1 plus y by x. So y2 raised to 0, the previous value of y2, whatever we have obtained, y2 raised to 0, predicted value, it is 3.2546. So we'll substitute that value, 3.2546 divided by x2. x2 is 1.4. Simplify it, we get the value as 3.3247. Substitute it in f of x2 y2. Simplify it, we get the value of y2 raised to 1 as 3.2689. Now again you can see there is a difference between the predicted value now and the corrected value. Hence we go for one more correction. Minimum two corrections are necessary. First corrected and second corrected, so that we can be accurate and we can say that the value is appropriate if the two values of corrected values of y2 or y1, whatever you're calculating, are matched. If they match, we can stop at two iterations. If they won't match, we can continue with the third iteration unless mentioned. Now y2 raised to 2, again it is y1 plus h by 2, f of x1 y1 plus f of x2. Again the difference is these two formulas is only the y2 value. Here it is y2 raised to 0 predicted value. Now we'll go for the first corrected value, that is y2 raised to 1. First we'll obtain this f of x2 y2 raised to 1, 1 plus y2 raised to 1, this value whatever we have obtained 3.2689 divided by x2 value, it is 1.4. We get this value of the function as 3.3349. Now all other values up till this are same here. Substitute all those. Substitute the new value of the function f of x2 y2 raised to 1, that is 3.3349. Simplify it. The value of y2 raised to 2 we get is 3.2699. Again you can see a slight variation in the two values of y2. So we'll go for one more correction, y2 raised to 3. It is again y1 plus h by 2, f of x1 y1 plus f of x2. Now we'll go for the new value that we have obtained for y2, that is y2 raised to 2. Now obtain the value of f of x2 y2 raised to 2. Function is 1 plus y2 raised to 2. Now we have got 3.2699. Substitute it here. Divided by x2 it is 1.4. Now simplify it, we get 3.3356. So substituting the value of new value of f of x2 y2, keeping all other values as same, simplify, and we obtain the value of the third corrected value of y2 as 3.2699. So thus the value of y at x equal to 1.4 is 3.2699. Here even we can see that the second corrected value and the third corrected value of y2 exactly match. Then we can surely say that the value of y at x equal to 1.4 is 3.2699. So this is how we obtain the value of the function, value of y at a given value of x applying modified Euler's method. Thank you.